Welcome back to the Pink City. Our journey through Jaipur continues, moving beyond the main squares into the city's hidden heart. Hidden near a mare, the Panamina Ka Kund is a geometric marvel. Its symmetrical stairs weave a pattern of shadows and light. Watching over the city is Jaigarh Fort, home to the massive Jaivana cannon, a silent guardian of the royals. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. At the foothills, silence reigns at Gatori Ki Chatriyan. These royal cenotaphs are carved with the delicacy of lace. In stark contrast to the Pink City, the Birla Mandir rises in pristine white marble, glowing softly under the sun. Escape the heat in the tiered gardens of Sisodia Rani Ka Bagh, a symbol of royal love and leisure. No walk is complete without a taste of Jaipur's famous lassi, served thick and creamy in earthen clay cups. And for the sweet tooth, there is givar, a honeycomb delicacy soaked in syrup, essential to any Rajasthani feast. In the workshops of Sanganer and Bagru, rhythmic thuds tell the story of hand-block printing, an art form kept alive for centuries. The streets are a timeline of eras. Camel carts share the road with modern cars in a uniquely Indian harmony. At the Govind Dev Ji temple, the city's spiritual pulse beats strongest, drawing thousands in devotion. The Sargasuli Tower pierces the skyline, offering a bird's-eye view of the labyrinthine bazaars below. On street corners, vibrant Kathputli puppets tell ancient tales of kings and heroes. Moving to the modern city, Jawahar Circle claims to be the largest circular park in Asia. In the Maniharan Ka Rasta, the heat of the furnace shapes the famous lac bangles adorning the wrists of women. Even cinema is a royal affair here. The Raj Mandir is not just a theater, it's a palace for Bollywood dreams. As twilight deepens, Statue Circle becomes a gathering point for families and friends. The city honors its brave at the Amar Jawan Jyoti, glowing solemnly in the darkness. Modern Jaipur shines just as brightly, blending its heritage with the stride of progress. From its royal past to its vibrant present, Jaipur is a city that never stops enchanting. This concludes our tour. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.